Hi guys, welcome to Villa Veneto. Today we'll be touring the 2x1, 1,051 square foot Milano floor plan. Let's go take a look. As soon as you walk in through the front door, you'll be greeted with the garage area built into the unit. We'll make our way up the stairs to be introduced by the living room and dining room areas. Right next to us, we have the kitchen area, standard appliances, fridge, oven, microwave, dishwasher. The dining room area leads straight into the balcony. Great view here. We'll make our way down the hallway. Hallway comes with a nice closet. And also built-in washer and dryer. And the convenience of your own home. We'll make our way into the unit bathroom. We'll make our way into the bedroom, which comes with a sliding door closet and conveniently also leads into the balcony area. Let's make our way into the second bedroom. Nice, spacious, and also comes with your own beautiful walk-in closet. And there you have it. That was our 2x1 Milano floor plan, 1,051 square feet. If you have any questions or you are interested in renting, please see the details in the description below. Once again, this was Villa Veneto. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for touring.